Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. Guess what arrived in the mail, guys? Have a look at this. I'm not sure if you remember, but let me play the video.
Good.
I got you.
My considerate Canadian friends.
There you go. Yeah, awesome. A couple more.
I'm making a patch for you all.
Yeah. Are you guys riding tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Right on. How long are you staying for?
So here it is. During the Great American Convoy in Bellevue, and later on in Spokane, when Randy and myself went down there, Adam promised he's going to make us a patch. The Considerate Canadian. And look what's here. Let's open it up. There it is, guys. I'm officially a Considered Canadian from Adam Sandoval and the Great Canadian Convoy. Adam, I'm gonna wear this patch with pride. It was absolutely a pleasure and an honor to ride with you on the Great American Convoy for the good cause. Again, congratulations to my fellow stubborn Americans and Considered Canadians. Well done. Not only do you guys achieve the 500,000 that Adam's set as a goal to fundraise, it was overachieved and well done. And in my thumbnail I put stubborn American versus Considered Canadians. Guess what? There's no difference, guys. We all out there riding our bikes, love what we do, go on open road, and especially get together to raise money for a good cause. We'll definitely wear this patch with pride, and I'm not quite sure yet where I'm gonna put it. If I'm gonna put it on the right side, on the left side in the front of my vest. So either here, here, most likely over the heart would be the nicest, or of course, on the back of the vest, right there. So please leave a comment down below where I should put this patch, but I'm definitely gonna wear it with pride. So once again, congratulations to everybody who participated. It was a great ride, a great convoy, and I'm so happy and honored that I was part of it. We'll see you guys down the road.